Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so out here bright and early at the skate park, and yeah, feels great to be out here. I haven't really skated too much in the past month. Had some neck pain, kind of limiting my rotation with my neck, but been icing it, heating it, going to the doctors, just trying to figure it out, and nothing's really worked. So that's why I haven't really been uploading, but I got a little bit of mobility now, and yeah, I've just been dying to skate. So today I'm gonna be trying to do a little challenge on the hip. Gonna be trying to do 30 flip tricks only, no shove-its, no 180s, 360s, just only flip tricks. So see if I can get 30 of them. I haven't warmed up yet at all, so gonna start with some of the easier ones and then work my way up. All right, let's see if I can do it. All right, guys, 5 tricks down, still feeling pretty tight. Might be a long day. Definitely gonna be a long day. One of my favorite parts of doing a challenge like this is just makes you do tricks that you never do, you know? So yeah, varial heel trick I haven't done in years. Used to be good at them when I was younger, but now rarely do them. So let's see if I can relearn them. All right, 10 down. Switch varial flip was gross, but if I redo every trick, I'll never finish. So yeah, 3rd done. Let's see if I can keep going. All right, halfway done. Pretty brutal, I'm not gonna lie. It's way harder than it looks. Just like exhausting rapid fire over and over, and I'm not landing as much as it looks on the video. There's a bunch of bails I'm not putting in. So yeah, not as consistent as I thought. 15 more, let's do it. Really should have made this a 20 trick challenge. Who picks 30? All right, guys, 25 tricks down, completely destroyed. Could barely breathe. Those last 5 tricks were very difficult. My legs just weren't moving, just like jello right now. So I feel like I can do them, but my body's just not letting me. All right, last leg, final 5 tricks. All right, guys, that's it. 30 flip tricks on the hip. Just to give you guys a little frame of reference, it took a little over 3 hours, between 3.5 hours of non-stop attempts to do that. So definitely feeling it, but felt really good to land a bunch of tricks I haven't done in a while. But yeah, now time for an ice bath. See you guys in the next video.